These are Tunisian crochet hooks from my two ladies. They come in a nice fleece organizer with 4 big storage areas, and then there are smaller storage pouch here in the middle. You can keep your stitch markers there or extra needles if you have. And look how gorgeous those needles are. This is H, J, L, and N. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Smooth. There are 9-inch crochet hooks and the cables are 20 inches. Their toggle here at the end also have the sizing, and the body of the hook also have the sizing there and the brand name. The ends here twist, so your work does not twist and it stays stable, and you can control the length of your work by this toggle here, and they're absolutely smooth. And here is the head. They glide absolutely flawlessly, and I was able to fill the whole cable. Oh, backwards is perfect. And I will get my stitches to move faster to the front, and I will keep my toggle here. I received this product free to try, but I absolutely love it.